This is assembly code for Steve Kayeth Micro Fundamentals class. This is a code that will cause LEDs to change from one bit, from the most significant bit to the least significant bit. It will have time delays, a 250-second delay, well, how long the light will stay on, a 100 millisecond delay, that's how long the light will stay off. It will take 16 loops to account for the 250-second on time, and it will take 6 loops to account for the 100 millisecond off time. I'm going to run the code and auto step it to show how it works. Right now the port B was initialized, so the light was turned on. It's running through the loops now to tell when the light is going to be on and when it's going to be off. It's about halfway done now. When the LEDs reach the least significant bit, it will reset back to the most significant bit and start over, and it will continue forever. Alright, well that's it. Thank you.